guys, my name is Patty and this is my very first video. I'm just going to do a quick review of 6 juniper columnars that I bought from Lowe's about 2.5 years ago. I bought this home 4 years ago on a single income, and I'm sort of on a budget when it comes to landscaping and everything. I don't have a landscaper, so I've been using superthrive. I don't know, most people have heard of this. This thing has helped me so much. I usually buy a gallon from eBay, so I'm just gonna go out and show you all the plants that I've bought. I know one of them is not doing too good, so I don't know what to do, but I'm just going to review the plants. If you just bought a home or you're on a budget, Lowe's is the place to go. I'm not being paid for this video. Obviously I have no subscribers. This is my very first video, which by the way, you should subscribe because I'm going to be uploading more videos, okay? A small disclaimer before we go out: all the structures and everything, the stonework, retaining walls and edging has been done by me. They will look a bit crooked, so please just ignore that and concentrate on the trees. All right, so come with me, we're gonna go outside quickly. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so before we begin, I have these arborvitaes that I have also from Lowe's. I bought them 2 years ago and they're growing so fast. They are in the sun. These are also from Monrovia, and I haven't been using any of the superthrive that I have on them because I haven't had any problems with them. The only one I've used on is this one here because it's kind of in shade, and I think it's doing well now. I don't see any brown in it or inside that. So here are the juniper columnar that I was talking about. I love to read, so I created a reading area here. So here they are. I just literally trimmed them. As you can see, they're doing really well. Before you go into my reading space, I have these evergreens here that I put in a pot. All these plants are from Lowe's. These are dwarf arborvitaes that I bought. These I just made into a topiary. I think they're like 10 bucks from Lowe's. These are dwarf arborvitaes that I've put in a pot also, and these are winter gem boxwoods. These I got last year, the tall ones. I forgot the names. I'm gonna do a review on that maybe in the next few weeks. But right here I have another winter gem boxwood here and dwarf arborvitaes in here. So let's go in here. I have this section here that I created. I'm gonna insert a picture of how it was before. So here they are. I think they're doing really well. They're growing super fast. For something that I paid $50 for, they're growing really, really fast. And then I have these here also that I paid for. I think I bought 6 of them. So these are growing really fast. I think these were bigger, but I got them for the same price, you know. And then here I have different kinds of boxwoods. I'm gonna fix that, so I'll talk about that in another video. So let's go. So over here I have winter gem boxwoods that I just trimmed yesterday. This here also winter gem boxwoods, and then this here. So here are another one. Like trimmed them yesterday. This one is fine. So I have 2 up there and then 4 right here. So all these 3 are doing well for 50 bucks each. You know, this here, and then I have this one here. This is the one that's not doing too well, and I'm going to have to actually use a superthrive. I think every I'm gonna try every day, hopefully. Hoping that it doesn't die. You know, I don't know why it's doing this. It's not in shade. It does get a lot of sun. So I think I'm very fortunate to get 6 of them for 50 bucks each. All of them are fine with the exception of this. So here they are, you know. So this is the one that's not doing too good, and I think because I've had it for 2 years, I'm not able to go to Lowe's and have a replacement. When I bought the house 4 years ago, these were already here, and I think I was bored and I was just playing with them, so I just cut. I was just trying to like shape them into a topiary, so it's not the best, so just ignore that. But yeah, so this is a plant that's not doing too good. I'm gonna call Lowe's and see if there will be an exception to the rule where I can bring it back and then maybe get a replacement of something else if it doesn't do too well, till like if it doesn't come back in September. And then over here I just have all these like boxwoods that I got really cheap from Lowe's, so I just threw them here, you know, just to create a nice like different I want different sizes. I wanted to do like I don't know, so we'll see. Yeah, so here they are. I think that one is dying. The one I showed you is dying, and so the view from this side, so you can see all 4 of them right there. So yeah, so thank you, and hope this helps you. And you should definitely go to Lowe's if you're looking for plants. I love Lowe's. I'm close to a very expensive garden center here, but I never go there because I know I'm gonna get a good deal at Lowe's. So yeah, thank you, and if you have any questions, let me know, and please subscribe. Bye.